Together with Tremplin and the Association for Social Integration, we brought 15 American college students to do two projects in Casablanca. One, we're painting this wall. We're going to put a colorful mural on this wall. And then two, tell them about the health fair.
So we're doing a health fair to educate children about a healthy lifestyle. And it includes different kinds. It's a holistic view, including nutrition, exercise, sunlight, rest. And also this mural will be a good representation and reminder of the health principles that they will cover during those 2 days that we'll be doing this health exhibit.
We've been here for a few days. We came in and went to Marrakesh, which is beautiful, beautiful city. Had such a good time there. Everyone has been so friendly and nice to us here. They fed us so much food, so good, so much food. So thank you to the people of Morocco for having us here, and God bless.
We definitely felt loved here.
Yes.
So thank you so much. Our students are thrilled. And we are really happy to support the work of Tremplin and to help all of us to live together, healthy, and to really enjoy everybody's culture.
Yes.
Beyond Walls is an initiative that covers projects throughout the Middle East, North Africa region. We do public art, we do mural painting, and we're excited to collaborate with Tremplin here in Casablanca and also Southern Adventist University. We're also partnering with Middle East University in Beirut, Lebanon. And we're excited to be here in Casablanca and work with the community and build bridges cross-culturally between some of the participants, international participants, and local participants. So we're really grateful to be here, and we appreciate the support of Tremplin and their network of activities that they do and they promote. And so we're grateful to be here. Thank you.
كنشكروا بزاف المجموعه ديال ترومبلا بالشخص ديالها بالشخص الرئيس ديالها السي عبد الاله اللي اختار المؤسسه ديالنا كفضاء لتنزيل هذا المشروع التربوي والفني التعليمي بالدرجه الاولى. كما نشكر كذلك الطاقم التربوي للمدرسه الابتدائيه الاناره، وكذلك الطاقم الاداري كذلك يرحب بالمجموع ويتمنى إن شاء الله أن تتكرر هذه التجربة مرة أخرى.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting